you want to be seen and known for you. You want him to see you and know you and love you for the fullness of your inner being and who you are. And it sounds like you're inviting him into learning more about that and how to do that. And he may or may not be up for it. It also sounds like there's a lot of needs that do get met, more practical needs, more service needs, more stability and security needs. And then there are these other needs that maybe are more emotional nourishment needs that don't get met. And so so these are just like random, get a good couples therapist to help the two of you work through this. Don't try to do this alone. I always recommend a third party in a situation like this, because it's too hard to help one another with the work you're each considering doing, and then also scaffolding and managing and facilitating the discussion about that to get someone to help you with that. And so that's one thing. The second thing is, it is perfectly legitimate in any relationship to decide that the needs that are being met for me are enough, and I can grieve the needs that will never be met because I'm choosing that.
Yeah.
You are allowed to be in any relationship you want. If you feel like, listen, 60% of my needs get met, and that is good enough for me, and I feel some loneliness and some grief about these needs not being met, then I'm going to choose that very consciously. And I'm going to grieve that this person is never going to meet these needs for me. I will find a way to meet them in other ways that are in integrity with the agreements we're making in our marriage. And that's going to be a sadness in this relationship that I am willing to accept and work with. And you may decide these needs that are not being met have become so critically important to me that I'm not going to be happy. I'm not going to be able to make peace with it. I have to have them. And so then I'm going to fight to try and get them in this marriage. And I'm going to get all the help that I can to try and get both of us there. And then if that doesn't work, then I have some hard decisions to make. But it sounds like you're a long way from that.